Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting access and preparing source files. This lets the app index fonts immediately. Next, import OTF or TTF files. Tap the plus button, pick files, or drag them in. Once done, group fonts into a named set and activate it so the system sees them. Make sure to preview with sample text to confirm weights and kerning. If a font needs conversion, use the built-in converter before activation so you avoid broken glyphs later. You now organize and refine fonts so they behave predictably. Rename families and tag styles to keep search fast. Set priority to control fallback when a glyph is missing. Use the editor to tweak kerning, enable or disable ligatures, and adjust metrics, then save each change as a new variant. Once your set is stable, enable Cloud Sync to push it to other devices. If conflicts appear, choose the latest or merge carefully so you preserve important edits. You finish by activating the final set and verifying it in target apps. Toggle system-wide activation for broad use or per app to limit scope, then export collections as a zip or native bundle for backups or sharing. If text renders incorrectly, clear the app cache and reindex the font library first. If problems persist, reinstall the specific font file. This fixes corruption. Finally, test in multiple apps to confirm consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.